Honey, these goodies that Dollar Tree is delivering, and as words to the mother and the brother, well, actually, I'm doing the delivering, because I'm recording this video, okay? Dollar Tree has these items. I said, Jefferson moving all up all the way, okay? Check this out. Honey, honey, I can smell the room scents in the air. Let me tell you something. If you guys have not been to Dollar Tree, if it's been a minute, you want to check these new scents out. Did I tell you Dollar Tree is now carrying the room sprays? Oh, yes. And if I was lying, I would be flying. And honey, I ain't got no wings, okay? Honey, when I tell you, this is giving. Call me when you have the money. This is giving. Honey, luxury. This is giving. The scent alone. Girl, you must be living in a mansion. Okay, this is giving. Girl, you a bougie one. This is giving. Oh, girl, I like your style. Okay? And not only do they have that, well, honey, they have several at Dollar Tree. I hope you beautiful folks could get your hands on these sprays, okay? I'm telling you. Honey, when I tell you Dollar Tree sure ain't acting funny. Honey, I just gotta deliver, and that's word to the mother and the brother, okay? I be doing a disservice if I ain't delivering like this. Check this out. So, Dollar Tree has these gorgeous travel pillows. Honey, when I tell you, Dollar Tree is just showing all the way out. They have the unicorn over here. Honey, the unicorn is definitely styling. They also have the the giraffe. Where do I get the zebra from? They have the giraffe over here. Honey, you can't tell them that. Look how cute and fancy this is. This is gorgeous. Now, Dollar Tree also have the little lion. Look at the... Honey, this is too cute. They also have, look at this, the controller pillow. Ooh, honey, you talking about traveling and style, catching those flights and not them feelings. Love this. Ooh, can I show you these items? Honey, this is the gardenia. In that P word, okay? Because I don't want to mess it up. Honey, correct me in the comments. I don't care. This is $1.50 room spray. They also have the sandalwood and musk. See, this is why my intuition was telling me to come on out. Amber plus sandalwood. Now, honey, the 2-room sprays that I had purchased from Dollar Tree. It is the eucalyptus and neroli. This smells wonderful. It has stuff in here like top eucalyptus, mild neroli. Never heard of neroli a day in my life, if I'm being honest. Base, mist, and cedar. Create fragrance blends with complex floral notes inspired. See, they knew. You see, I said luxury, but I didn't read the bottom of this. They knew. Dollar Tree understood the assignment. Now, my favorite is this one right here. This is the amber and sandalwood. This has stuff in here. Notes of amber and vanilla sandalwood. Oh, my darlings. It's just something about that fragrance, honey. I'm telling you. I was in Dollar Tree the other day. I did a video on this, went back to Dollar Tree. They had like 3 left. So if you happen to come across this, you may want to grab you some. Because, honey, the way these smell, you would think that you got this from like a high-end store. Because I'm telling you, these smell very, very amazing. But, honey, I got the best of the best. I didn't even know these was $1.50 until one of the young ladies here, she said these $1.50. Not Dollar Tree having name brand items for $1.50. Yes, honey. It is the watermelon Glade. Look at this soft mist technology, the cashmere woods. They also have the Drew Drop paddles. If you guys have animals designed to fight pet odors, they also have fight odors, passion fruit. Ooh, I'm liking where this is going. Sea waves, honey, $1.50. You better stop. Sugarfoot. The 2 cents that I got in the air fresheners, Glade, is the watermelon. Honey, I like me some watermelon and chicken. And then I also had got the Fights Odor, the passion fruit. When I tell you this watermelon, ooh, honey, it smells excelente. This one, it smells so good. Now, I have this one in the bathroom when my children use it. And then this one, I have it in, like, the kitchen and stuff like that. This smells so good. I was so shocked that these were $1.50. In fact, I asked the lady, the young lady, shout out to the Dollar Tree employees. I absolutely love you guys. I asked the young lady who worked at Dollar Tree, I said, this $1.50? She said, yeah. I was like, oh my goodness, let me see if it's really $1.50. When I went to the register, it is. It's $1.50. They have so many different others, and there's word to the mother and the brother. So when you guys are doing laundry, okay, now this one, I didn't smell it that much. It was like the scent was very, very light. The Brazilian soap and wash fragrance, the booster beads. Now, Dollar Tree also brought to the front. This is the Brazilian soap, the fabric softener dryer sheets. You get 40 for $1.50. Oh yes, yes. But you want to know which ones is my favorite, and they smell so good. It is the Bermuda Blue Citrus Booster Beads. Honey, this is so good. Absolutely love this. Okay, family, so I'm on my way to the laundromat. Now, this is part of this haul. If you have not tried these, I encourage you. If your Dollar Tree has these are a must. Booster beads, Bermuda, citrus, oh my goodness, all the good things. Now, I got mixed reviews from you guys. I'm saying it's really good. This is a Brazilian soap fabric softener sheets. I'm going to be taking this to the laundry with me. They're not giving. So listen, if you guys have, the tumblers, right? And you know how you be trying to clean your tumblers, you put the straw inside the water, fill the sink up with the water to try to clean it, but it still have stuff in there, okay? Coffee residue and everything. So Dollar Tree has these bottle and straw brush sets. Ooh, chill, it is a given. So if you need to get the little bit of the liquid out, the lotion, whatever it is, the detergent, honey, I've been, listen, these are $1.50. Now they come in different colors. They have the gray, the blue, or green. Honey, I swear I know my colors. The pink, like a chicken wing. I like this. This is cute. Just put this on in your kitchen. All right, honey. So I had purchased the pink one, and I absolutely love this. This straw cleaner right here. This is absolutely amazing. So my children, they have the Stanley Dupes that is, and the straws, I would be using this. For $1.50, this is amazing. A straw and bottle cleaner. Really good. You looking for some summer party cheer pads? Oh yes, they got them out already. Get into the watermelon. They also have the leaves for the breeze. They also have the crabs. You know you're going to be eating them blue crabs this summer. You're probably eating them now. I was about to say funky, but honey, that's not nice. These are $1.50. Love this. All right, so this is like a commercial break. You guys know I am selling beautiful jewelry, okay? We got the beautiful fancy earrings right here. I absolutely love these pieces. We also have the rings over here. Really, really cute, giving sophisticated, okay? over here. Love this. And then the star of the show. You see the leopard, okay? The leopard print, absolutely amazing. Now, to the business owners, to the ones that's just starting out with their business, I had ordered these thank you cards from off of Amazon. And I was looking to see like how I could package the jewelry, like send it out and everything like that. They have these beautiful, everything is in one. They have the bags for the jewelry. They also have the thank you cards, and they also have the stickers. I paid $10.60 for this. Okay. When you first starting off with a jewelry business, this will do. This is really good. Okay. So let the clip roll. Now I'm a deliver. And that's word to the mother. That's all I know how to do. Okay. That's it. First off, Dollar Tree said, oh, yes, we bring in the board games in operation. Oh, child, bring back so many memories when I was a kid. Honey, 1 year for Christmas, I had this, okay? And you guys, if you don't know, honey, I'm from the projects, okay? So we would play this in the community hall. Fond memories. Love this. They also have Connect 4 as well. Like this, they have the Play-Doh over here. Honey, you get 6 of these for $3. I said, God darn, honey, you talk about you get every color in a book. Every color in a book. They also have the Trouble board game over here, $9. What really knocked my socks off, and I do have socks on, is the Elmo and the Big Bird puzzles like this. Now, Big Bounce, triple pack. Hold on, child. Mold it into a bouncy ball. What? Oh, child. Oh, that is giving. Now, if you want your money to help you garden this year, okay, do the gardening with you, child, let your money get involved. Dollar Tree has these little water bottles over here. Now, when I tell you these are cute, honey, these are cute. Is this supposed to be a bumblebee? I'm a little confused. Maybe, okay? Now, they also have this one as well. Look at this, the dino. Oh, I like that. Now, they have some other amazing items like this. Honey, it is the salt and pepper Easter shakers for me. These are $1.50. Look at this with the bunny that sure ain't acting funny. Honey, the bunny got the carrot over here. Ooh, child, that bunny is movie groovy. Now, my loves, if you guys are looking for menstrual pads, it's that time of the month. Let me tell you something. Do not sleep on Dollar Tree menstrual pads. I love these. These are the overnight pads with organic cotton, 100% cotton. It has aloe infused in here. It also has lavender in here as well. You get 6 of these, $4.25. Now, I had purchased 4 of these, and I'm gonna have to go back and get some more, because when I tell you that these are a go like Joe, honey, these are a go like Joe. And the other one on the table, okay, honey? But if you know, you know. Items that I had purchased from Dollar Tree as well is they cleaning items, okay? Now, last night I had used the Pond Glow. This is Pond Glow. I know you probably thought Pond Soil. Honey, this is Pond Glow. You get so much for $1.50. But last night when I poured it, and I used this in the past, you couldn't really smell it. Like when I smelled it from the bottle, okay, strong. But when I poured it, my youngest son said, oh, that don't smell like the other one. He was saying it doesn't smell like the real one. All right. Now, will I buy this again? I like the Pond Soil, better. But they do have Comet and stuff like that at Dollar Tree, you guys know. And I had also purchased this. So I had purchased this yesterday, and I know on here it says like biodegradable, eco-friendly and stuff like this, but this was kind of strong, okay? Spraying this. Well, I had a few other things that was in the bathroom, but this was kind of strong. When it comes to like this, the stuff like this, the Awesome, they all smell pretty much the same. Honey, let me know in the comment section, am I tripping? All right, $1.50. I went and purchased this again. Honey Dupity Dupe Ultra Oxygen Toilet Bowl Cleaner with hydrogen peroxide spring fresh scent. Honey, puts me in the mind of Lysol. $1.50. All right, my loves, let us know in the comment section what were some of the items that you just like, girl, I am definitely going to get from Dollar Tree. Like I told you guys, this room spray is so amazing, really good. This is like by far my favorite. That and also the Glade air fresheners, really good. And also the bottle cleaner, I liked that as well. But let us know in the comment section, what are some of the goodies that you guys have picked up, and what are some of the items that you are definitely on the lookout for, on a hunt for. With that being said, keep rocking out, believing in yourself, keep being a fancy one just like you are, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.